What's going on, you guys? Today's Noah's first day of school, second grade. This is first day of actually going to school though, because you know, last year was all on Zoom. So we're about to take him. Pretty exciting. You excited? Yeah. We're both tired this morning. All right, let's get her done. Take him, and we'll update you guys as soon as we get there. Taking your kid to his first day of school is always like a little sad. Well, I mean, it's bittersweet. He needs to go out there, you know, and meet actual people, not just like Xbox friends, not just like gaming friends and stuff. But man, at the end of the day, he's gonna enjoy it. He's a little sad, but at the end of the day, he's gonna really enjoy it. And I miss him. I miss him already. I'm like, man, my boy. But at the end of the day, he needs to be going to school, and he's gonna have, you know, it's gonna benefit him. He's gonna make a lot of friends. It's gonna be well worth it for him. He'll be able to go to parties. He's gonna be able to invite, you know, more kids to his birthday parties and all that. So I'm proud of my boy. He's growing up. Alright, well, we'll catch up back up at the house. Got a couple little projects to get into today on Project Red Pill. So yeah, we'll catch up into that right now. Yo, welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna be making this splitter for the car. It doesn't look like much right now, and it actually wasn't big enough. This remnant piece that I got was about 20 bucks, 22 bucks or some shit like that at my local metal supplies shop. So yeah, this is what they had for me, unless I bought the full sheet, and I wasn't about to drop 200 bucks on a 4x8 sheet. So yeah, just gonna use some metal that we have right now to extend this out to there. And then after we do that on both sides, then I'm gonna go through and outline where we want it, you know, outline exactly where we want it at, and then probably do something cool on the sides to make it look more aerodynamic, more like the you know, like the battle arrow or something similar that they would sell online. But again, I'm not gonna drop 400 or 500 bucks on that. I'd rather do it for like really cheap and get like a similar result. That'd be sick. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to make a splitter for like cheap, and you know what I mean, we're about to make that happen. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm probably gonna set the GoPro up a little bit. Haven't got a case for it yet, so I don't really want to mess it up too much. So when I start like welding and grinding and shit, I'll probably not record that part. But yeah, we'll get to it. So not sure if you can see it on the camera that great, but got my outline. We're gonna go with the outer outline here. It's gonna go in, and it's gonna come out. We're gonna do the same thing on that side. Now I use these to pretty much get where it's gonna start on both sides, so it's perfect. And then for this part, I use that. It's just something I found around the house. It happened to be the same size. Once you put the marker like on the side like so, it ends up writing on it perfectly. You know, just slide it straight across. Hard to do with one hand. And then for the bigger groove, I actually just grabbed one of these bricks right here on the side, and then I just followed it with the brick. So now I'm gonna cut it. I just went and got another blade for my grinder, so I'm about to cut it. And then after that, we still got to extend it. Like I said, I haven't extended it yet. I figured if I cut it now, make the shape and cut it now, I might be able to use this metal rather than using 2 strips of that. So I'm gonna get to that. I just wanted to update that part. So that's how it looks raw. So I gotta still hit it with the flapper disc, so you know, make it look smooth. Hit it with the flapper disc, and then I think when it's finished oh shit, I just took a dab. I think when it's finished, I'm gonna put like a rubber, maybe cut a hose in half, and then, like, you know, wrap it on around it, So now with the leftover pieces of metal, I'm gonna finish that off to the back here. Make it go to the back and maybe go under, maybe make it bolt to the plate. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm about to see what we're gonna do right now. But yeah, the goal for today is to get it mounted and finished. And then all we'll have to wait on in the mail is like the little hooks that go from there to there. But it won't really need it. It would just be for looks more than anything. So what happened, baby? How was school? How was your first day?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what happened with the fight?
The fight?
Uh-huh.
Nothing. We just hit each other.
What do you mean?
He put me, I hit him in the face.
Hit him in the face?
Yeah.
So he pushed you.
I hit him in the face and then the dick.
What? What the hell? So, but you said he punched you in the eye.
Yeah.
When? He pushed you and then punched you in the eye?
No, he put me when we were like walking, when we were going back to class.
Uh-huh.
And like it hit the under chin and then it hit me in the eye.
It hit you in the eye?
Yeah. It's more like the eye and the cheek.
Huh.
Yeah.
So, who got the first punch?
He did.
And then you punched him back?
Yeah.
Oh my
Because
gosh.
he started the fight.
Oh my gosh, kiddo. Already getting in fights at school. What am I gonna do with you? What am I gonna do with you, kid? Alright, well I gotta drive. I just want to see how you're doing at school.
Oh. Okay. You were just.
Yeah, we're gonna update the channel.
Oh.
We're gonna update everybody how you did at school today.
Oh.
Alright?
You're making a new video?
Yeah. Say bye, YouTube.
Huh?
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Alright, are you guys ready to see it? It didn't come out too bad. Shit, I realized I forgot my hat. And I hope the video quality doesn't look that bad when I go to edit it. I haven't took off the screen protector yet. This one that comes with it, because I'm waiting for like the tempered glass one to come in the mail. So check it out. That's the side view. Should look sick once the tire's on it. Yeah, so that's it right there. Went ahead and mounted the sides straight to the bar, so it's basically one piece with the bar. So if we take off the bar, those two bolts, and then the two bolts that are holding it on the bottom of the plate, then it'll come off as one piece. And it's actually solid. It's pretty solid. I would stand on it, but I haven't finished this part yet. I actually had to cut these screws and then like just made like this little shit right here, so it's technically supposed to come to the bottom so it can actually get better support, but it's not bad like that. It's like it's not going anywhere, but it would be better if it was done right. But as far as the splitter came out sick. It's like solid. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like as a skeleton before I put the bumper on it. I'm about to put the bumper on it right now, so I wanted you guys to see what it looks like as a skeleton. And yeah, I'm gonna put the bumper back on and then try to just put that lip there just to see what it would look like. I might get another lip, but that's what I had for now, so that's what we used. Yeah, all in all, I'm definitely satisfied. It didn't cost me much, and it's done. Wait to see it with the wheels on it. I already got the Yankee RPF ones. We just need to get the tires. I haven't got the tires yet, so I'm gonna try to get something aggressive so this shit like stands out. Like that shit came out dope. If you guys know what company that looks like, throw it down in the comments. It's on a budget, so you know we do what we can, but came out sick. It's like pretty strong for the material that we used, you know. It ain't going anywhere. Like, I could probably stand on it, but I don't want to bend it a little bit, you know. And then the way we did the mounts, you don't see them in the bumper, which is a huge plus. All you see is that bash bar, but you don't see the mounts. Right there, that's a battery tray in that hole. So I probably won't be able to fit lights in there, but you usually don't put lights on this fucking bumper anyways. I had to put the lights on it in the grill just to see what it would look like. I'm pleased. Overall, super hyped. So you get a over here look. Man, it's starting to look like an autocross car for sure. Autocross / time attack, whatever. Might bash me in the comments because I haven't been to the track yet, but it's getting there. We getting there, boys. So yeah, that is basically about it. That's all I had for today. Just wanted to show you how to make a splitter, chassis mounted splitter on a budget. Like I said, it only costed, I think, total maybe 30 bucks in material. That is if you have a welder on hand. As you can see, I still got to clean it up because we use flux core. I still haven't got my MIG bottle yet, so yeah, we got to get the MIG. So for now, flux core is working just fine. It's not bad, as long as you don't, you know, as long as you're not complete ass of a welder, you can get the job done, no problem. I think gotta raise this canopy up. Yeah, as long as you're not complete ass of a welder, you can get the job done, no problem. As you can see, I'd have had it done in a couple hours, but took Noah to school, picked him up, you know, did other things, but we did knock it out in one day. So fucking happy about that, stoked. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, like I said, that's all I had for today. Peace.